After the big rains we had a couple of weeks ago, I noticed a leak just next to the microwave on the wall. I opened it up, saw there was some wood rot, not too bad, but 2 pieces of wood that I replaced and fixed it all up, and as good as new again. I just recently ordered another little 8-inch 12-volt fan, and the new one that I got actually got a little clamp on it, very neat, so you can clamp it anywhere you want to. And I really like these little fans. You can move them anywhere you want to, and they work very well. Then for my solar system, the batteries have arrived. Just waiting now on the solar panels and the solar controller unit, and hope to have that within the next week or two, and then I can start with installation on that. I hired a carpet cleaner to clean the roof of the van, and I was surprised that it was actually pretty clean. It wasn't dirty at all.